Hello children, very pleasant morning to all. So last we completed our 12th chapter, that is health is wealth. So we are at activity number 5. Now what is it? Work in groups, contact your science teacher or a doctor and find out the first aid tips for the following problems. So this is, you have to contact your science teacher and you have to do by yourself. But then also we will discuss it. Now first is problem and then given it is first aid tip. Now in the bleeding, now if someone was got hurt or something happened, then bleeding may come out. At that time what you have to do? So at the time of bleeding, what you have to do? You have first aid tips, means suddenly the things you have to do to stop that. Now at the type of bleeding, what you have to do? First you all know at your home what happened? Your mother will put a turmeric powder on it. So this is also a first aid tip, that if bleeding is there, then apply a turmeric powder on that particular part, okay, and hold it tightly. Now second is apply a sterile bandage on it. You have to bandage, na, so that your bleeding may stop, and wash with a clean cotton cloth around the wound so that it will not increase or not affect too much on your body, and hold that tightly so that blood flow will decrease. This is the first bleeding first aid tip. Okay, thus we will discuss this only, and then I will give you a PDF. You have to write on your book. Now broken bones. How broken bones is there? Now broken bone. When broken bone? When you fallen down from your bicycle example, or from your school stairs. So your bone get cracked. So at that time what you have to do is that you have to apply a sterile bandage on that part and hold it with a pressure, okay, and you have to contact doctor immediately in that case, because if sometimes break may broken, then it may causes very danger. So this is the 4 8 tips. Now snake bite, have you listen? Yes, that snake's bite is there. What? They will bite us. At that time what we have to do? First of all, we do not have to get panic. We just should be relaxed. At that time frustration is there, but we do not have to get panic. At that time you have to first call an ambulance immediately, and then you don't have to, that blood should not remain at that part. You have to suck it or with a tocular machine, so that, so don't wash your blood at that time. You have to just suck it, don't suck it or wash, just you have to use with our tourniquet machine. Tourniquet machine is that machine through which we can control the flow of blood, okay. So snake bite, call an ambulance immediately. Broken bones, first we have to think that don't touch off. So in bleeding what we have to do? First apply turmeric bandage, and that broken bone, do not that touch the bone so that it will be broken very much. Snake bite, call an ambulance immediately, okay. Now activity number 6, prepare poster for spreading first aid awareness for the above mentioned problems and exhibits time in your school. Now you have to prepare poster of first aid awareness. First aid awareness means in your school, if you are seeing that someone got hurt, that first aid box is there. First aid box, it is in this, what type of things is there? Scissor, then some liquid, Dettol, all the thing, bandage, all the thing is there. So if an immediate treatment for the person who got hurt. This is the first aid tips. So now you have to make a project on a first aid awareness. What is that? First aid awareness, some people don't know that at the time of snake bite what they have to do. They will get panic and they get feared. So you have to make the awareness chart so that the people can get information from it and they can apply in the daily routine. Now, for above mentioned problems and exhibit them in the school. Above mentioned problem means you have to make a posters on bleeding, broken bones, snake bites, like that. That what should be done, which things should be done, and which things should not be done. Do and don'ts. Both you have to write and make a poster on it. But it's just a project, but we are not doing this. Just I'm giving the activity number 6. But you have to do at your home in your homework book. Okay, just write that in these things what we have to do and what we don't have to do. Just write it. Okay, so we will discuss our activity 5. We have completed activity number 5 and 6 today, and then in next lecture we will discuss activity number 7. Okay, thank you children.